Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to watch how to do the grading and the rolling of laterite. I am also going to answer the question of one of my student on how to calculate the number of trips used for the laterite. This is my subscriber and student from Tanzania who had sent me this video. If you have questions, you may also contact me. You may also send your videos. If you want to feature them on my YouTube channel, the questions can also be answered through the videos. So here you can see that the grading work is being carried out. The sub base was being done, for which the thickness or the depth of 15 cm or 150 mm was used. You can see that the road is connected together with the asphalt road. The total length of this road was 1 kilometer and the width of the road was 6 meters. On either sides, this engineer is going to construct drainage of 2 meters each. So the question was how to calculate the number of trips. As I told you, we have the length, width and the thickness. So if you multiply them, you will get the volume. Then you can divide it with the available capacity of the tipper. You may get the number of trips which are going to be used. So as such, it is a very simple calculation which you can also do it in order to calculate the required volume of laterite. So if you are also doing the base course, you can use the same method and then you can get the number of trips which are going to be used in the road construction. So you may see that how the grading has been done here. After this grading, the engineer had used the roller, the smooth roller. These are my contact details for Instagram. You may also follow me there. I would also like to suggest here that if you are having the availability of seafood roller, it is better to use it. But here we have only used the smooth roller. Guys, you can also contact me on WhatsApp. These are my details. You may find me out on Facebook as well. My ID there is of this name. I hope you found this video interesting. Until my next video. Goodbye.